The immune system is the body system that fights pathogens to help protect the body. The immune system includes physical barriers that keep pathogens out. The skin is the body's first line of defenses. In addition to physically keeping the pathogens out, the skin also secretes sweat and oil, which makes the skin acidic. If the skin is breached, the pathogen enters the body. The immune system springs into action. There are many types of white blood cells that protect the body. Eosinophils can spray parasites with poison. Both basophils and mast cells release histamine, a chemical which causes inflammation. Phagocytes, such as macrophages and neutrophils, destroy pathogens by surrounding and engulfing them. Lymphocytes include T cells and B cells. Activated T cells kill infected body cells. B cells produce antibodies that can cause pathogens to burst, inactivate them, or cause them to clump together. There are two types of immune responses, nonspecific and specific. Nonspecific responses happen the same way to every pathogen. Inflammation and fever are nonspecific responses. Phagocytes are part of this response because they deal with every pathogen the same way. They can differentiate between healthy cells and pathogens, but not between different types of pathogens. In specific responses, lymphocytes have receptors that help them differentiate between types of pathogens. They react differently to each type. Memory cells are specialized T and B cells that provide acquired immunity because they remember an antigen that previously invaded. Cellular immunity is an immune response that utilizes T cells. First, a phagocyte engulfs a pathogen and displays the pathogen's antigen on its membrane. Second, a T cell binds to the antigen-presenting cell. The antigen-presenting cell releases proteins that activate the T cell. Third, a T cell divides and differentiates into memory and activated T cells. Finally, the activated T cells bind to and destroy infected body cells. The memory T cells will wait for future invasions. Humoral immunity is an immune response that utilizes antibodies. First, a pathogen binds to a B cell. The B cell engulfs the pathogen and becomes an antigen-presenting cell. Second, a T cell binds to an antigen and releases proteins that activate the B cell. Third, the B cell divides and differentiates into activated and memory B cells. Then, the activated B cells sometimes produce antibodies that cause the pathogens to clump, which makes it easier for the phagocytes to eat the pathogens.